My name is Fiji and keep it fresh.
Hold up.
Stop! Now I don't think y'all ready. Let's do it again, baby. We gotta do it again. Don't stop.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing
Zponkey. She was the bestest, top of my checklist. Love time, dedication, well invested. To this woman, me love so dear. And me can't get the facts, she no longer here with me. But it was only meant to set your heart free. Cause what me have to do when I let her be. Can't believe that our reality is just a memory. I know that we mutually agree, for better, for worse, unconditionally. Time and space did not allow us to succeed the way that we thought our love life would be. Every time I see that smile on your face, it brings me so much joy in my heart. Yeah. Takes me back to the very first time when you said you wanted us to start. Lady, I apologize for all those lonely days and those restless nights without me by your side. And when you cried, 'cause my insensitivity didn't see the signs. When all I wanted was to make you smile.
ladies and gentlemen, introducing
Thinking of everything that we've been through. Still can't believe we've come this far. We went against the odds, just us two. At times it felt like we were wishing on a star. Oh, I wouldn't wanna have it any other way. I'm so grateful that you chose to stay. My best friend forever. Want you always by my side. No one can take your place. I smile when I see your face. Promise you'll be the same. Oh, don't ever change. Don't ever change now. Always pay her tribute. A 21 gun salute. When she needs love, don't ever refuse. Give her what she want and when she want more from you. She deserves it all for true. I keep falling in love over and over, and I just can't stop. Now that I found the one, your best friend forever. Want you always by my side. No one can take your place. I cry when I see your face.
ladies and gentlemen, introducing
You already know DJ Zponkey. Estamos en vivo. Sube, sube, sube el mic. Que vamos, que vamos pa' la gozadera full, baby. We've been together a while, and I don't mean to cramp your style. Sometimes I wonder just how things happen this way. And I'm just reminiscing of that one whole night.
introducing.
DJ Zponkey.
Strike from the back, posted in the act. Got to hit the club, put it mobbing all day. Tracking on some rocks, shot on patrol. VIP stats, strapped to my chrome.
Saw you walking by the other day, and I tried so hard to get your attention. You kept strolling on like you saw no one, and you acted like you had no affection. But baby, I'm just gonna keep trying. I just won't give up so easy. I know that you have many choices, but this is one you don't wanna miss. 'Cause I'm so cold in love with you. What must I do to prove it's true? 'Cause I'm stone cold in love with you. Baby, tell me what am I to do? Stone cold in love with you. What must I do to prove it's true? If my life is like a jigsaw with the pieces out of place, come on over. Put a smile upon my face. And if all my bad days came at once, you would know just what to do. Come on over. Only you can see me through. And if you think I need you, come on over. Bring your love around. Only you can dry my tears. And if you think I need you, come on over. Lay your body down. You know I will be here. Bring your love around.
Take it easy and come on over. So let me show you why you wanna be alone. Give me satisfaction every time you come around. Because you're solid with 2 feet on the ground. Come on, darling.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing.
DJ Zponkey. Came and told me that you don't wanna stay, and you turned around and you just walked away. I never knew that the day would come when you would take my heart and try pass by the time. Wanna catch me when me looking at me bedroom eyes. And you want me slowly rub me pan me thighs. Oh, give me the right, give me the morning night. Anything you want me do, I'll abide. All your secrets I will confide. Only you and me will know the time. Come me love the way you touch and caress. It's a shame for me to unbutton your dress. Give me the right, give me the morning night. Anything you want me do, I'll abide. All your secrets I will confide. Only you and me will know the time. Come me love the way you touch and caress. It's a shame for me to unbutton your dress. Come me to enter in my bedroom gate. It's been too long, me just can't wait. You know, say making good love is like a trait. You either have it or you just another mate. Let me see your passion burning up like the flames. Let me feel like an animal you want to tame. Oh, give me the right, give me the morning night. Anything you want to do, I'll abide. All your secrets I will confide. Only you and me will know the time. Come me love the way you touch and caress. It's a shame for me to unbutton your dress. Give me the right, give me the morning night. Anything you want to do, I'll abide. All your secrets I will confide. Only you and me will know the time. Come me love the way you touch and caress. It's a shame for me to unbutton your dress. Give me the right, give me the morning night. Anything you want me do, I'll abide. All your secrets I will confide. Only you and me will know the time. Come me love the way you touch. It's a shame for me to
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing.
You already know DJ Zponkey.
Well, I was raised in a house that always focused on quality. Instead, my vision just got too caught up on the quantity. Never thought that I could fall in love like this. This feeling is just too unreal, it feels like this. Baby, everything about you from the way you're talking makes me wanna really get proud when I'm walking right next to you, holding you so close. Oh, baby, I really wanna feel something that's true. Girl, I hope it's you. My breath away every single day. I just can't believe this a feeling that I feel right now. It's the kind of girl you will leave never. You know she not go play. And when you're on the road she pray. I really wanna feel something that's true. Girl, I hope it's you. I hope tonight.
I really wanna feel something that's true. I do. Baby, I hope it's you.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing.
DJ Zponkey.
Got my neck on my left shoulder. Something you wouldn't understand. Yeah. It's a symbol of unity of the boys from LA. Yeah. No matter where we go, we got to love. come out in sunshine weather in my little town. It's only natural for me to feel this way about you. You're the world's most beautiful girl. It's only natural for me to be so protective about you. Oh, my sweet Hawaiian girl. It breaks my heart to see my island kings do nothing but use and abuse them, thinking they could take that beauty away. I know I came from a woman that looks just like her, so I could never live with myself if I had to hurt something so precious.
Traveling running from this side to the end, and never find a woman like you ever again, girl. Love is for real, I know it's not pretend. I want you with me to the end. You could be my wife, we could build a life. We could come together, make the wrong things right. Please open your eyes, we could win the prize. Naturally loving you Hawaiian style, Hawaiian girl.
It's only natural for me to feel this way about you. You're the world's most beautiful girl. It's only natural for me to be so protective about you. Oh, my sweet Hawaiian girl. It's only natural for me to feel this way about you. You're the world's most beautiful girl. It's only natural for me to be so protective about you. Oh, my sweet Hawaiian girl. You are so beautiful to me, to me, to me.
I was born in a very low-income housing called Rewanka. You have to do humbling things like going next door and asking for salt or sugar. I learned from the struggle and being poor, so I appreciate a lot more things in my life as I grew up. I don't want to be anything other than an island artist, representing our cultures, our languages.
Fiji, thank you very much for being on the front line with us today. It's a pleasure to have you.